Am I the a-hole for going topless at a nude beach in front of my friends' husbands?
I was invited to a 3-day vacation with 3 of my girlfriends and their husbands, plus 2 of their husbands' single guy friends. On the last day, we were exploring the city and we came upon a beach. It looked nice and fun, so we hung out there for a while before stumbling on an adults-only nude section of the beach. There weren't many people overall, but I did see a few women in the distance without tops on. So I felt it was clear to take mine off as well. It was amazing. But none of my friends joined me though. We all continued to talk and joke in a circle for a while, and I thought that we were all having a great time. Then out of nowhere, one of my friends said that she felt sick, so we left abruptly early. And our conversation on the way back was basically uncomfortably silent, with the exception of low talking and whispering that I wasn't part of, and some goofing off from some of the boys. Later that night at the main room, I find myself avoided by almost everyone until I'm confronted like it's some kind of intervention by the girls. They said that it was inappropriate for me to expose myself in front of their husbands. I was shocked, and I told them that I didn't mean anything by it. They said that they thought that it was obvious that you're not supposed to just go naked in front of your friends' husbands. Then they were like, "Notice how you were the only one who went topless and you didn't wonder why?" This exploded into a further argument which felt like slut shaming to me. And I ended up calling them insecure about their relationships until eventually all of them just said that they don't trust me to be part of the friend group anymore. All I thought I was doing was enjoying myself at the beach like everyone else, not exposing myself to their husbands. So am I the asshole? Oh yeah. I don't blame you, but hell yeah, you knew that was gonna be out of line to just take your top off in front of your friends' husbands. Come on.